Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to choose the output style in Zotero, in Word file or in Zotero. How we can change, because different journals needs different output styles. So this is very important to understand how we can change these styles. So let's jump into the video. First you need to download and install the Zotero and import some references, okay, which we have already done. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my previous videos or one video containing all the information. So I have also a Word file where I want to choose the Zotero. So when you open the Word file, on the top side you can see the options like EndNote X7. There is also option Zotero because I have installed the Zotero. So if you don't see this option, simply go to the Zotero, click on Edit and Setting, and in Setting you click Cite. In Cite you can go down and here is option Microsoft Word. You can click this Reinstall Microsoft Word add-in. Since I have already installed, so I will not do this. So this is the way how you can find if Zotero option is not shown here. Again, I will show you. Open Zotero, Edit, Setting, click Cite, go at the bottom and click Reinstall. So then I hope you will be able to get the option for Zotero here. So our video is about the output style. So how we can choose the output style? So again, click on the document. When you click on the document, this option will appear. And you have a lot of reference styles, like for natures, for different kind of style, for carbons. Okay. So now the carbon style is chosen. So if you have no journal added here, then how you can add or download? Simply click this option, Manage Styles, and it will open this window. And if I want, like for a journal like ACS Nano, okay, I can see there enter. There is no option. So again, I will go to click Cite, and at the bottom I will click Get Additional Styles. You can also add a file by downloading like we did in the EndNote, but I will choose this option. This is more easy. Get Additional Styles. Click this and it will open this window. This window you can insert ACS Nano or your journal. Here you can see ACS Nano and also Applied Nanomaterials. Click ACS Nano. So now you can see ACS Nano is added where? So here you can see ACS Nano is added. So we can simply click this and then click, once you want to use this style, click this and click negative, mean you are going to delete, cancel. So you click this and then go back. So if you want to make sure your style is selected, just document preferences, and here you can see it's on carbon and ACS Nano and okay. Yeah. So again you click this and here you see ACS Nano is selected. If you want to change this one, then click OK. Now it's selected the other one, as you can click and see again. So this is the way how we can choose the styles. Again, I will repeat, it's very simple. You can choose. So from Word, you can click on this document preference and choose and say OK. From Zotero, you can go to the Edit and Settings and ACS Nano and then simply close. So this is the way how you can choose the output style. I hope it works.